Did you?
Haley's a cheater. It's normal.
Chris, your turn.
Okay.
Well, no,
Here.
not until the second time when you were just like jumping. It's like, what?
Okay, dude.
I knew it.
Of course you did. Like, I thought everybody knew it. Okay, Chris.
Okay.
It's like a beat.
She's like, bonk. She looks like a robber gone wrong. Oh! Oh! Oh, Chris! Oh! 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 Let go! Oh my gosh! Chris is going to town! Oh, this is awesome.
Still going.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome! Oh my gosh! Oh, she got it! She got it!
You're the funny person.
Stop! Okay, new person, hurry! Whose turn? Chelsea, Ursula, you're up. Chris, that was awesome.
You're so flippin' funny.
Oh my gosh, that was funny.
Oh.
Guys, I love that we broke her. I love that we broke her golf club. It's awful.
Hopefully Mar doesn't see it.
Oh, she left him. She don't even remember him.
Take a picture of me.
You look so hot, dude. What up?
Oh, they're taking a picture.
Every angle. Every angle. Can I have your number?
Can I have your number?
Can I have your number?
Oh, she's going.
Suck.
I didn't know.
Oh my gosh! Back up, everyone!
She's a professional. She knows what she's doing.
Oh!